We went all out for National Dog Day and threw a positively amazing party. We pulled out every doggone favorite. A ball pit extravaganza, pools filled with jolly balls, a dino dig pit for the budding archaeologists, and a race car chase that had tails wagging at warp speed. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, boom, a foam party to top it all off. The dogs were over the moon and maybe slightly foamy. We couldn't be happier to celebrate with them. After all, they bring us so much joy every day. We're basically just their staff. Dogs rule, humans drool. Happy dogs is what we do.